I decided to use the SF4 molecule to describe the difference between quantum mechanics, optimized structures, and VSEPR, idealized structures, and on the right would be the geometric optimized version, and on the left would be the VSEPR. So as you can see, that the SF4 molecule has a seesaw shape due to the lone pairs on top of the SF4 molecule in yellow and the F in green. And the same here, although it may look a little weird, look a little bit more bent, but it's still seesaw. So what we have here, this one being, what it would look like ideally, like if we just put the molecules, the elements together and just combine them. And this kind of is what it would look like if we combine them, but then actually took in what is happening up here with these electrons, the lone pair. I'll start with this one. So if we scroll down, we would see the SFC energy is negative 794 point, basically 9. And we'll scroll down here, and this would be negative 794.92. So why would the optimized version be a little bigger than, or why would this one be bigger? So the difference is about 0.2, and the difference comes from the VSEPR being more stable because of the bond angles, and I can show you what they are. So simply, if we just go across, we will know that a straight line is basically 180 degrees, and we know that this one is not quite 180 degrees, and it is 163, and that is because of that repulsion due to those electrons down there just acting on those fluorines. So that makes it a little less stable than the VSEPR idealized. And then if we go to the dipole moments of this structure, you can see that the dipole moments point in the same direction. However, the enhanced, optimized version has a greater different dipole moment than the VSEPR idealized. And like I said, that is because of those electrons up here. The actual repulsion of these makes this dipole moment greater, a lot times greater. So this is 0.8, and down here is 2.4, almost more than 3 times bigger than this. So VSEPR gives us a good indication of what's going on without doing anything. You can draw these, but the enhanced version actually gives us a clue into what would actually happen. And that's about it.